Hey guys, Anthony here with a tutorial on how to remove objects in photos in DesignBeast, which is a 6-in-1 graphic design and animation suite. If you haven't yet, I'd encourage you to watch my review video to learn more. So I'm logged into my DesignBeast account. I'm in the dashboard area. Let me scroll down. And this is the Magic Object Remover app. I'll click on the arrow button to open the app. You start by uploading your image. I'll click the Upload Image button. I'll choose my image and click Open. It'll start loading the image. And here's the image I'm going to work with. I'm going to remove this couple from the image. You'll notice this brush slider and Proceed button. So first, I'll adjust the size of the brush and then start covering the image of the couple, like so. I'll then click the Proceed button. Next, the app will process the image, and you'll see a little preview box in the bottom right corner. You can click this Edit Again button if you want to further edit the image, and click the Download button if you're happy with the changes. You'll see this dialog box. Click OK. And here is the processed image. As you can see, it did a pretty good job of removing the couple. The results of the object removal will depend on the image you use, but I find this object removal app very useful. DesignBeast is available at a special low one-time price during launch. Check the link in the description section. Well, hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section. Thanks for watching.